Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. In today's video, everybody should really know how to do this, but I thought I'd go over it because it was something I did today. I ran this plaque, which is 16 by 10 and a half, and I was able to send her a picture of this for a couple of reasons. One, for placement, size of font, and then make sure I got everything spelled right. And this is the way I originally sent it to her. And she picked the font, but she didn't like this and it looks like a D. So she wanted me to try to spell out the word and to me it just didn't look good. So I thought I'd show you how you could make it look like this. And so if you take your font, it's all one word. It's you can go up here and edit it. But if you go Control K, it will break it apart, and then you're on that line, and then go Control K again, break up individual letters. Now it's still a text or still a font, so you can go up to your font manager or your font flyout and change it to that. Now it's a little bit bigger font, you can see, than the other one, so I would go like this. It's pretty close at the bottom, but I would downsize it just a little bit, because it is just a bigger font. And then erase these lines and group it back together. Control G, and then put it in your placement. And one thing I found, if she's okayed the placement and the size of the font, so you haven't changed the size, but she's okayed the placement, you could always do this. Turn that into yellow, and then I didn't group that together evidently. Control G, and then just move it in and then zoom in. In the bottom line, it's not very yellow. Let's see if we can. I must have just hit yellow line. Tell you what, let's back that up and let's change that to yellow fill. Then let's zoom in, and because she's already, I backed up so it took it away, so Control G. So the bottom line is exactly the same. You haven't changed anything, so just put your black over your yellow, and it's almost 100% where it was. We're going to set our nudge distance on 0.001. We're going to zoom in. We're going to click on the black one, and we're going to nudge up just a hair and over just a hair and put it right on top of, and this is a big plaque, so it changes real slowly, but you can always check off of that. Let's change it to 0.009 or 19 for right now. That's good enough. Might be too much. Click on your black one, and so you're getting your box. So what you can do is, because this yellow is extended past the black, we just want the black, so just don't get all the yellow, get all the black. Now you know you have the black, and right there it's dead on. And then get your yellow, and see, we're getting our box. So you could do a lot of things, but you could go to arrange, order, put back a page, and now your box will be in the back of the page. Then you can click your yellow and delete it, and you're ready to go. So the customer's happy. And if you don't know how to send a picture like this, I've got several videos. I use this product right here called Snipping Tool a lot, but I actually use Snagit, but it costs. This is this is actually a Microsoft program. I think it's in all of Windows. So just search my video for Snipping Tool. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.